Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. My name is John Watts, and I want to share with you a conversation I had with a lawyer recently. And this lawyer had a friend who had suddenly been served with execution on a judgment. So this can be a wage garnishment, bank garnishment, or seizing of property. And so we were kind of brainstorming, well, what's the best route for this client to take? And the lawyer, and this is very smart, the very first step is figure out, was the person properly served? And the lawyer said they weren't served under Rule 4. Rule 4 in Alabama rules, Federal Rules of Civil Procedure, is what we call service rules. Your state may be different if you're not in Alabama, but you have some portion of the rules of civil procedure in your state that say, here's exactly how we can tell if somebody's been properly served with a lawsuit. And so that's the starting point. Because think about it this way. Here's a lawsuit, and then here's a judgment. And then built on top of the judgment would be things like garnishment, sheriff's sale of your property. So here's what we've got. But you've got to be served for that judgment to have any support. If you take out that service, the judgment falls away. Now you're still left with the lawsuit. Okay, but it may be a lawsuit from 2004 or 1999 or whenever it might be. Okay, so the point is always check service. And I can give you just a rough view of sort of the Alabama rules on this. And it's not to get bogged down in the details, but just to get you thinking so that as you read the rules or as you talk to a lawyer, or for the lawyers watching this, just really study Rule 4. So, for example, in Alabama, personal service, they hand you the papers. That's good anywhere. If they deliver it to your house, they have to give it to basically an adult who lives there. So not somebody for Thanksgiving break, Christmas break, spring break. No, it's got to be somebody that lives there. Now, whether that person really gives it to you or not, you're still properly served. How about certified mail? So we just had one where I want to say it was a judgment from 2005. And the person was supposedly served by certified mail. So we found the certified mail, and it was signed by the wife. Well, certified mail, it's got to be signed by the person who sued or their agent. And sometimes the lawyers on the other side will say, well, your spouse is your agent. No. That's not an automatic thing. Now, maybe you tell your spouse, look, you have authority to sign all certified mails for me. Maybe you're going out of the country for 6 months. Maybe they have a power of attorney. There can be different options. But we want to start with, was there proper service? Because if there was not proper service, everything else falls apart. So why am I sharing this with you? Just to say, it's pretty common that folks that have judgments in Alabama come to us and they go, I never knew about this lawsuit. It says it's from 15 years ago and they got a judgment for $10,000 and now it's $30,000 and they wiped out my bank account. They're garnishing my wages, whatever it is. We always start with service. Now, if we're properly served, then we need to talk about, can we do bankruptcy? Can we settle this? What can we do? But if we weren't served, we've got a fantastic defense to that. And I covered this in other videos, how we go through that. It's basically a motion to alter, amend, or vacate the judgment, saying, look, I was never served, so the judgment is void. Again, it doesn't make the lawsuit go away, but it makes the judgment go away. And frankly, a lot of times when these companies are faced with trying to prove that you owe a certain amount from a lawsuit filed in 2005 on a debt that maybe you last paid on in 2001, that's pretty challenging. Maybe all the documents are gone. So just want to share that with you to say, if you face a judgment, always start by looking to see, was there proper service? And if there was, okay, then you're going to have to pay it or file bankruptcy, or maybe they can't get anything from you. But if there wasn't proper service, that gives you a lot of options. So thanks for watching this video. And if you're in Alabama, 205-879-2447 or alabamaconsumer.com will get you to us. And thanks for watching this video, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye-bye.